Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the reading for the beautiful Saturday and Sunday, the weekend. And the cards have been pulled from the Ascended Masters Tarot deck. Let's see what the cards reveal. What are the messages collectively for Saturday and Sunday? Beautiful card of Isis asking us to balance career and home life. It is said, that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So indeed, it makes all of us a dull person if we only focus on work and no play, if we only focus on career and not our personal life or family life. So Isis is asking us to bring in that balance everywhere. The yin and the yang needs to be balanced everywhere. The masculine and the feminine needs to be balanced. And when you balance the masculine and the feminine, you will be able to balance the career and home life, because career is all about your masculine energy coming to the fore. I'm independent, I want to do this by myself, I don't need anyone, I am complete, which you are. Definitely, there is no wrongness, there's no judgment here. But just doing that, or then just being focusing on the family life or on home front is also incomplete. So you need to balance that. When you balance that, your own internal maternal and paternal instincts get balanced, your own masculine and feminine get balanced. So this is all about balancing yourself. It's weekend, how about taking some time off from work and spending time with yourself, with your friends and your family. Even if it is this time when you don't go out and party, you can still have good time with your own family members at home. So that's what the card of Isis is all about. And here is the card of Apollo asking us to focus upon our own strength. Focus on your strength. What is it that gives you joy? What is it that you derive your strength from? You know that our strength lies within. We don't have to look for it outside. When we bring out our own internal strength, our own internal intuition, our own guidance that comes to us, we can take care of all situations around us. So Apollo is asking us to focus on your strength. Know that you are stronger than you think. Know that you always have a solution to every situation. There's always a key to every lock. So don't give up if you are finding yourself stuck in any situation. Get unstuck. Get out of that thought process that, oh, this is not right and this is not happening. Instead, say, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? What is it that I can do? Universe, show me the magic, show me the light, show me what I can do to get out of this. And you will realize that with your own mental strength, with your own strength within, you will get the answers to get out of that situation. Because always listen to the universe, listen to the signs, look at the signs that come to you, and you will definitely get an answer. And masters are with us right now, and this is an absolutely beautiful in synchronicity message for this amazing weekend. And it is already the end of the 7th month of this year and the beginning of a new month tomorrow, 1st of August. So how does it get any better than this? Have a very magical weekend. I shall see you on Monday. Take care.